Alright, how's it going, everyone? So I'm going to make another quick little video about these two new strobes I got in the mail today. These are Simplex 2904-9101 remote strobes. These are the third generation. As you can see, they have the little potentiometers on there, smaller circuit boards. Let's see if I can get a close up on this. Oh, crap. Oh, I'll have to fix that, but get a close up on the label here. There's some of the different models, not all of them, but you have 9003, 9101, 9103, 9104. I guess that's a 9105 or something down there. I don't know. These strobes, I think, were brand new. They don't show signs of being previously installed. They are a little dirty. I think they're probably just sitting. Makes me think they're new is if you look at the pigtails, they are straight. They haven't been like, you'll tell if they've been previously installed. These wires will be a little bit curled because they're sitting on a wire nut. But that doesn't appear to be the case here. I also got mounting screws and the installation manuals for both of these. I have one right here with all the info right here, along with all the different model numbers for strobe and lights and different voltages. These are dim as hell, so I might have to turn the lights off so you can see them flashing. But I'm going to connect these to the batteries and yeah, let's get to the test. Alright, so here are the strobes flashing away. They're very slow because I'm only running them off of 20 volts DC. If these were running off of the panel, they would be a hell of a lot faster, despite the fact that right now they have the potentiometers up all the way, but they're still flashing pretty slow. We'll go ahead and kill the lights for you so you can get a better look at this. One on the right's a little bit faster, quite a bit faster actually than the one on the left, even though again the potentiometers are both at full speed. These did take a while to charge up. I actually thought these were broken, but they actually just needed a decent amount of time to get going. But yeah, pretty cool. Go ahead and kill that. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace out.